Hi guys! So today I am going to be making some dinner. I'm going to be making fish tacos. I just got back from the gym and I figured I would film a recipe. So yeah, I did a thing. I joined the gym. I joined Planet Fitness. I decided that I needed to build muscle and just treading water in the pool wasn't going to cut it. So I joined the gym, and they have a program right now where your kids can use the gym for free all summer long, teenagers. So I'm going to be taking the kids to the gym for free this summer, and I'll be working out with them. If you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Joanne. I am a stay-at-home mom. I have two 15-year-old stepdaughters and a 4-year-old son, and happily married to my wonderful husband. And I also have an 18-year-old son who lives with his dad, almost 18. So I am doing lifestyle videos. I have a hair loss journey. I do reviews on wigs and toppers, well, toppers. I'm age 42 and I am postmenopausal. And I am on a health and wellness journey. So if you are interested in any of those subjects and you'd like to join my channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button. And if you really like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you really like this video, go ahead and share it with your friends. So let's go ahead and get started with cooking this dinner. All right, so I've got my cast iron skillet lined with aluminum foil, and this is a heavy duty aluminum foil. And then I just took a little pat of butter and spread it all around and put a little bit of salt and pepper in there. And then I have my ocean perch and tilapia. If you saw my Aldi haul, I accidentally purchased this perch. I did not mean to buy this. This was $9.89 a pound. And I don't know how much this was. Oh, here we go. This was $5.79 a pound. So yeah, the price difference is huge, but I'm gonna go ahead and cook it anyway because I already bought it. And I know that if I return it back to the store, they're gonna throw it away. So I'm just gonna go ahead and eat my mistake. So quick bake, let's try quick bake, 350. And then I've got my fish in here, and I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle in some chili powder, some pink Himalayan salt, and some dill weed. And then a little bit of olive oil, and that's it. And then I'm just gonna pop it in the oven. Okay, so I folded these corners over, and I have like little holes for the steam to escape out of the sides because I don't want it to be too steamed. And then later I'm gonna pull these off, and then I'm gonna broil it a little bit because I like that broiled look, that broiled taste for my tacos. And actually I don't have tortillas, so I'm just gonna be doing more like a taco salad than actual tacos. Here are the ingredients for the slaw that's gonna go on the fish. I have some fresh cilantro, 2 cloves of garlic, a small cabbage. I should have gotten a red cabbage, but I got this. A lime, some minced onion, or you can use onion powder. And then we mix it all together in a bowl. fish is cooked thoroughly, but I want to get a little broil on top, so I'm going to go ahead and set my broiler. Ooh, it's perfect. Yes. Look at that. Oh, yes. It's perfect. Does that look good? Mmm. It's what? Oh man, that's perfect. So nice. So nice and flaky. Yes. Pour some of that juice on there. Let me get some more. So good. The cabbage is crunchy. Like, the fish is really good. The flavor of the slaw is really good. But it's just a little crunchy for me. But all the flavor is there. Oh my god. Oh, it's so good. My goodness, this was so disgusting. That's why I ate every last bit of it. Can't you tell it was so gross? I had to try all of it to make sure. No, really, guys, it was so good. Right?